Oof, just ran into that tree. It's 3 p.m. Thursday, July 3rd, 2025. Been sitting out here for a little while. Cats came up. I didn't bring up any food or water. They're uh, they're all scattered about me right now. Of course, got this robin in the background here chirping away. Yeah, up in here someplace. I'm sitting here. Quite comfortable at the moment. It is rather warm out. Wind comes and goes, but it helps out the situation overall. Feeling pretty good out here, in the shade, of course. Get out underneath that light and look out. But this wind, yeah, this wind is helpful. And as you might have seen, yeah, the Jays, the Blue Jays, they were expecting food out here just because of my presence, but well, they're going to have to understand that it's not every time I come out here that there's a handout. But it's still rather nifty and neat, if you will, that they come up as close as what they do regardless. And who knows, maybe they'll get to the point to where they just want to kind of hang out and talk with me as one. Yeah, I don't know if we were able to see that or not because I did not zoom in, but yeah, they keep popping in and out. And I don't know, I've been out here listening intently for the sounds of anything else that might be lurking within the weeds. And otherwise, I am just out here observing nature. And even though we've got the sounds of traffic in the background, it is rather pleasant overall. With one other, well, got quite a few mosquitoes buzzing around right now. Not much of an irritant, but yeah, okay. 3:15. This one just wandered up looking for food, which I have yet to bring out any food or water. And just before she showed up, I had a blue jay that landed right here. Yeah, just right above my shoulder. Looking down here, see if there was anything down here. And what gets me is on the ground here, there is like quite a few mulberries that have been dropping from the trees overhead. So it's not like there's nothing out here for them to munch on. Plenty of berries right now. Not for much longer. But yeah, they keep monitoring the situation though. Where we at here? Well, anyways, yeah. Scoping out the situation. Yeah, I guess, seeing as how everybody seems to be quite adamant that they're wanting food of some sort and type, I guess. I might as well go ahead and do an early feeding. Call it good. Yep, off it goes. I've got, can't see them, but I do have quite a few cats about me. And they're just all in the coolness of the weeds. I think some might even be out on the lawn. The lawn is actually in the shade, still dewy from this morning. Yeah, I guess I'll do an early feeding. So I have been looking everywhere here in this robin, and there it's been right behind me this whole time. What in the heck are we on this? No. Where are you? I cannot see anything on this. Yeah, right there. Yeah, there you are. Okay. Are we even in focus? Yeah, okay. Yeah, it's been sitting right there chirping away this whole time watching me. And I've been looking around, could not find this little one. Yeah, I don't, the lighting's probably not all that great, so it's not showing up real good in my screen. If I stand up, then, yeah, we got, yeah. All right. And what am I? Oh, I'm okay. The cat down here. And otherwise, yeah, these guys bed watered. Not be that much closer to the loaded limb, but I don't want to spook these guys off because, yeah, they're still very timid around me. This robin's just non-stop, aren't you? Huh? Got that branch in the way. Oh well. Yeah. I got another robin now. I can hear that. Yeah, okay. 3:50 p.m. Once again, I'm very close to the limb here, or branch. Alright, I'm even closer now. Come on down. Got some big cakes on the limb today. Come on down. Oh, can we see them up here? Dee. Is this that right? I think. You coming down? Where are you at? Oh, no. Yeah. Okay, we can see his tail feathers there. And somebody's meowing. Well, come on. Well, I hear somebody meowing behind me. Sounds like out on the lawn. I think heat's kind of getting to me a little bit. Are you coming down? Or are you just gonna sit up there? Yeah, I'm actually starting to do a little bit of a wobble out here. Yeah, just yeah, you're watching me. I know you are. Where are we at here? Well, okay. Oh, that's why. I did not realize he was down here at my feet eating. He's not even crunching. I don't even know if he's chewing the stuff. Okay, now I understand. But now because there's no cats over here, that's going to be the primary targeted spot. Yep. So I took up a different position and location, sitting on the log out here, and yeah, I don't know what it is, but this area here has a lot of mosquitoes. I'm kind of foolish for coming back over here. But I had to sit down, thinking I've had just a little bit too much caffeine today in the form of energy drinks, and it's making me a little bit woozy. It could be a combination of that and the heat, but wow, yeah. I don't like feeling that way, believe you me. Because we bulls want to wobble and not fall down. Yeah, I'm actually, it's getting hot out here. Of course, we're getting to, the peak hours of the day of heat. And this thing is up here rather bright. And I don't believe I'll be sitting out here much longer. And who knows, I just might follow up with a sky observation or two. I don't know. 4:05 p.m. and my buddy Spirit decided to show up, and he's loving up on me big time. What? Huh? He really, well, gonna go eat? Yeah. A little bit of a distance shot here. Yeah. Yeah, we'll close off with that.